The logo that we unveiled today reflects this approach. It combines elements of tradition and modernity, and the petals incorporate the colors of all BRICS member countries, representing unity in diversity and a strong sense of shared purpose. The logo conveys the idea that BRICS draws strength in the collective contributions of its members while respecting their distinct identities. The BRICS India website, which has also been launched this morning, will serve as a common platform during India's chairship. It will provide information on meetings, initiatives and outcomes, and will facilitate greater transparency and engagement.
India has begun setting the tone for its BRICS presidency in 2026. On Tuesday, New Delhi formally launched the official BRICS India 2026 logo and website. The moment marks the first visible signal of how India plans to steer the grouping in a changing global order. The launch took place in the capital. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar attended the event and outlined India's priorities for the year ahead. The focus, he said, is very clear: capacity building, innovation, sustainability, and global welfare. At the center of the logo is a lotus, a familiar Indian symbol. But this is not about domestic politics. The lotus is presented as a unifying motif. Its petals carry the colors of all BRICS member countries. The message is visual: unity without uniformity, diversity without division. Jaishankar explained that the design reflects the idea that BRICS draws strength from the collective contributions of its members. Each country retains its identity, but together they form a shared purpose. The logo, he said, blends tradition with modernity, a signal of continuity and change.
The logo that we unveiled today reflects this approach. It combines elements of tradition and modernity, and the petals incorporate the colors of all BRICS member countries, representing unity in diversity and a strong sense of shared purpose. The logo conveys the idea that BRICS draws strength from the collective contributions of its members while respecting their distinct identities. The BRICS India website, which has also been launched this morning, will serve as a common platform during India's chairship. It will provide information on meetings, initiatives and outcomes, and will facilitate greater transparency and engagement.
Alongside the logo, India also launched the official BRICS India website. This platform will serve as a digital hub during India's chairship. It will host updates on meetings, initiatives and outcomes. It will also allow faster information sharing and greater engagement among member states and stakeholders. Jaishankar said India will assume the BRICS chair at an important moment. The grouping completes 20 years since its inception. What began as a conversation among emerging economies has grown into a significant global platform. Over the years, BRICS has expanded in agenda, in membership and in ambition. Today, it brings together major emerging markets and developing economies. Countries that want a greater say in global decision making. Countries that want cooperation without dominance. India's message is that BRICS is not just about geopolitics, it is about people. Jaishankar stressed that India's chairship will seek to bring together the potential of BRICS nations for greater global welfare, development, growth, and shared solutions. He outlined 4 broad priorities for India's presidency: resilience, innovation, cooperation, and sustainability. These themes, he said, will guide all discussions and initiatives during the year. The priorities are designed to cut across BRICS' 3 main pillars: political and security cooperation, economic and financial collaboration, and cultural and people-to-people exchanges. The aim is balance, not overreach, and practical outcomes. From India's perspective, this approach fits into its broader global posture: a push for reform of international institutions, a stronger voice for the global south, and a focus on inclusive growth rather than exclusive blocs. The launch of the logo may seem symbolic, but in diplomacy, symbols matter. They signal intent, they set expectations, and they shape narratives. With the lotus at the center, India is signaling a chairship rooted in dialogue, diversity, and development. As BRICS enters its third decade, India wants the grouping to be more cohesive, more effective, and more relevant. The message from New Delhi is measured but clear. BRICS has evolved, the world has changed, and India plans to use its presidency to ensure the grouping keeps pace with both.